Giving it all we got, giving it all we can, giving it all we got.
All right, today we are in Oahu, northeast of the island, in Mike's Huli Chicken. Awesome place. This place used to be in right outside of Kaneohe Bay in the southeast of the island, and but he ended up moving. I don't know why, but finally found it, and we're gonna go ahead and get some of the Huli Chicken here. It's pretty badass. Been here a couple of times, and highly recommend it. There are a lot of places that says Huli Chicken out here, but it's not Mike's. I tried them, and they're pretty good. They're really good too. But Mike's, to me, it's, in my opinion, is the best. So, that's right. Let's get a mask. There you go. So Mike's place is right here. There's places to sit down here and eat over there, shaded. Feels good. There's a couple other food trucks out here I never tried, but there are bathrooms out here too, and an ATM machine, just in case you need it. That's looking good to me. That's looking good too. That's looking good too. Steak plate. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Yes. Whoa. Huli Chicken. Look at that. Rice and salad. You got the same, man? Mm-hmm. Nice. Like it?
Very good.
Very good. Told you, man. Best place here.